Action.
Hi, I'm Kenzy. This is a new segment of the Bobo Show featuring burping.
That was Jenifer.
Okay,
Emina,
back over here.
do you have anything to say? Oh, okay.
Wait, hold on.
Jennifer, calm down. This is gonna be on MySpace.
Stop working! Okay, ready? Contest. Kenzy, go.
Coke.
Go, Kenzy.
Sorry, what? You were saying?
And here goes,
Shut up, there's Coke in there.
Ooh, pop. No,
Spoil
ready? Let me need more pop.
What?
We need more pop. Okay, your turn. Do you have any Mountain Dew?
Okay, Jennifer, your turn. Jennifer. Oh my god. I think that one went so far. Next!
I had to cough. Sorry, I'll give you back a little more. I need some more pop.
You can't do
Skylar, I need your pop. Okay, here you go.
this would be mine.
I need it.
I need to drink it.
My stomach hurts.
Drink that pop. Oh,
Here,
that's already
got
gone. Pizza. Oh,
I need
Emina. Kenzy.
That was so cool. I need some pop.
Emina. Inappropriate. Ooh, Kenzy. Double time. Kenzy and Emina. Jennifer, come on. Your turn, Jennifer.
Only someone's peeing.
What? Jennifer. Come on, Jennifer. Come on, Jennifer. Come on. Oh my god!
I told you I'm a good burper.
Okay.
I'm napping her.
Oh my god.
Oh, the burping contest.
Oh, that was me.
I'm not done. I want to do one more.
I think that was my first burp, you guys. Are you proud?
Yes.
Why are you plugging your nose?
And that is it for today.
That wasn't that
Wait,
bad.
one more.